Have you ever fixed a problem at work, only to see it come back again a few weeks later? You tweak a process, train the team, make a few changes, and still, something feels off. That is usually not a people problem. It is a process problem. And that is exactly why organizations across the world rely on a simple but powerful improvement loop called the PDCA cycle. What is the PDCA cycle? PDCA stands for Plan, Do, Check, Act. It is a continuous improvement cycle used to improve processes, products, and systems in a structured way. Instead of making random changes and hoping for the best, PDCA helps teams test improvements, measure results, and refine continuously. You will often see the PDCA cycle referenced in quality management systems like ISO 9001, but its use goes far beyond compliance. From manufacturing to IT, from HR to finance, PDCA works wherever improvement matters. PDCA cycle workflow. The PDCA cycle follows a clear flow. Stage 1. Plan. The first stage is plan. Here, the goal is to clearly identify the problem and define what success looks like. Teams analyze current processes, collect data, and identify root causes. Then, they set measurable objectives and decide what change should be tested. Good planning reduces guesswork and ensures everyone knows what they are trying to improve and why. Stage 2. Do. This is where the planned solution is implemented, usually on a small scale. Instead of rolling changes across the entire organization, teams test improvements in a controlled environment. This reduces risk and makes it easier to track results. The focus here is execution, not perfection. Stage 3. Check. This stage is all about measurement and evaluation. Teams compare actual results with the expected outcomes defined during planning. What improved? What did not work as expected? Data, feedback, and performance metrics play a key role here. Stage 4. Act. If the change was successful, it is standardized and rolled out more widely. If the results were not satisfactory, adjustments are made and the cycle begins again. This is what makes PDCA powerful. It encourages learning, not blame. Every cycle makes the process stronger than before. Benefits of the PDCA cycle. The PDCA cycle offers several benefits. It reduces risk by promoting small, controlled changes. It improves decision-making through data and feedback. And most importantly, it builds a culture of continuous improvement. Teams stop reacting to problems and start improving proactively. Where is PDCA commonly used? PDCA is widely used in quality management, manufacturing, project management, IT service improvement, and even customer experience optimization. Wherever processes exist, PDCA can improve them. The PDCA cycle proves that improvement does not need to be complex. It just needs to be consistent. Plan thoughtfully, test carefully, learn continuously, and improve endlessly. That is the power of PDCA. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy. Explore more process improvement videos. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.